Hello and welcome to the New Haven Museum. My name is Jason Bischoff-Wurstle, curator of the exhibit Factory. Factory tells the post-industrial underground history of the New Haven Clock Company. The colorful history of this building was often hidden in plain view. In the 1980s, the Yale School of Architecture continued its decades-long tradition of throwing an annual, decadent, Beaux-Arts inspired ball. One in particular became known as the Sex Ball. Based on a tradition among architecture schools originating in the late 1800s in Paris, the ball would take place in the late winter, always with a different theme, and was known as the party of the year for architecture students throughout New England.
It was the most orgiastic social experience with 300 people I've ever had in my life.
The annual ball was not an official school function and didn't need to be held on campus. The clock factory was perfect for a ball due to its distinct industrial architecture heritage, mystique, and size. The remote location was a plus as well. Yale students were more fluid with town interactions, seeking out cheap housing anywhere in the city, and were more apt to explore more. The walls were decorated with original murals of neoclassical hermaphrodites painted by Yale fine arts students. Decades later, these murals remain on the factory walls.
The sex ball was, that was the consummate, that was the high point, and probably something that will never happen again and exceeded all excess prior to that.
With the drinking age still set at 18 and a sense of less overall adult supervision, faculty and students comfortably interacted in a way that may be foreign to our social norms today. An example was that the esteemed dean of the Yale School of Architecture and architectural historian, Vincent Scully, served on the panel of sex ball costume judges. Seen as a kingmaker among students, Scully appreciated the tradition and saw the necessity of a big party to break up the intensity of architectural studies.